Letter number 14. To the army before the encounter with the enemy at Siffin. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Do not fight them unless they initiate the fighting, because, by the grace of Allah, you are in the right, and to leave them till they begin fighting will be another point from your side against them. If, by the will of Allah, the enemy is defeated, then do not kill the runner away. Do not strike a helpless person, do not finish off the wounded. Do not inflict pain on women even though they may attack your honor with filthy words and abuse your officers, because they are weak in character, mind and intelligence. We have been ordered to desist from them although they may be unbelievers. Even in the pre-Islamic period, if a man struck a woman with a stone or a stick, he was rebuked along with his offspring after him.